Right, this question we have to find how many multiples of 6 are between 100 and 300. So we've got to ascertain what have we got here. Is it an AP or is it a GP? Well, if it's going up by 6 each time, well, it's obviously it'll be an arithmetic progression because you're not multiplying, you're adding on each time. Now, but first of all, we need to find the first term to multiple. Now, 100 is not a multiple, right? So we need to work out which one it is. Okay, so if I go 100 divided by 6, from here I'm going to get, that's 16 and 4/6. Right, so that's a little bit short, isn't it, right? So we need a bit more. So the number we're after would be 102, because 6 will go into 102 evenly, right? Now the other way, for the 300, it's a bit tricky, this one. It's going to give me 50, right? So that would be exactly 300. However, it says between, so we have to take 6 away from that, so that's 294. So that's the first one, that's the last one, okay? So we're using the formula for AP, it's Tn equals A plus n minus 1d. Remember, we're after n, and we know that this one is this one here. So 294 equals the first term, which is 102, plus n minus 1 times, and the common difference is 6, was going up by 6 each time. That's 6. So taking this one away, I'm going to get, what's that, 192 equals 6 into n minus 1. So n minus 1 equals 192 divided by 6. And that's going to give me 6 into 19 is 3, and 1 over gives me 2. And add one to the other side. There are 33 multiples of 6 between 100 and 300, not including the 300. Done. I know in this question we have to find the value of x, for which x minus 1, x plus 1, 2x plus 5 form first an AP, then a GP. So what we need to do now is look at the common difference for the AP, and we say that D is equal to this one here, 2x plus 5, minus this one here. And that will give me x, and 5 take away 1 is just 4. Now then we know the common difference will be the same for these two. So we'd say that x plus 1 minus x minus 1. Just need to be careful with the signs, that's all. Now notice here that the x will go out, minus and a minus will give you a plus, so that's equal to 2. So here we can say, because the common differences must be the same, x plus 4 must equal 2. So in this case, x is equal to 2. The GP one's a little bit harder because we're looking at the common ratios. So the common ratio is equal to 2x plus 5 over x plus 1, and that's equal to x plus 1 over x minus 1. Now solving this, we'll cross multiply and we'll get 2x plus 5 times x minus 1 equals x plus 1, well that'll be all squared, won't it? Now removing these brackets, we'll get 2x squared. That's 5x minus 2x is 3x. Minus 5 is equal to, that's just x squared plus 2x plus 1. These will go out and we'll get x squared. Now take this across, we'll get minus x. Take this across, we get minus 6. And that gives equals 0. Factorising that, I get x minus 3, x plus 2 equals 0. Therefore, x equals 3, or x equals minus 2. And I think you'll find as you substitute those values back into these original ones here, that will form a GP when it's 3, and also will form a GP when it's minus 2. Just check that out yourself. And you put the 2 back in here, you're going to get an AP. All right, done.